vlog. Today I'm gonna show you the 4 common forces that make the object move. Forces are all around us. Every day we can see things move, stop, or change direction because of different forces. These 4 types of common forces are wind, water, gravity, and people. And I'm here in our farm and will show you how the 4 common forces make things move. I'm gonna show how force from wind makes things move. We cannot see wind, but you can see what it does to objects. Here in the farm, we have so many trees and branches and leaves. Guys, let's observe the trees above the wind will make branches sway. Force from wind can be very destructive during typhoons. The natural force is from water. Here we have some little river here in the farm. I'm gonna put a water bottle here in the water from the river and they move. A body of flowing water from mountain into the sea that can move an object from one place to another. Another force that keeps us on the surface of the earth is gravity. Gravity makes objects move towards each other. Remember that anything thrown upward always goes down. Now I'm here at top of the table under a mango tree. By the use of force of gravity, we can see that this water bottle will fall downward. That is the force from people when they act an object by touching them. It's sometimes called apply force due to the force produced by muscles. A cage and one baby pig. Pig so I can apply force and strength so I can pull up and pick the cage. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed learning about common forces. Bye!